Today I am reviewing the ViprTech Reaper 2.5 liquid-cooled PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ViprTech Reaper 2.5 liquid-cooled gaming PC is a high-performance machine built for gamers, streamers, and content creators who demand both power and style in their desktop setup. From the moment you see it, this PC commands attention with its sleek black case and fully integrated RGB lighting system. The lights are not only customizable, but also designed to showcase the high-end internals inside, giving your gaming rig a visual appeal that stands out in any room or streaming setup. With a simple button on the case, you can adjust the lighting to match your mood or gaming environment, adding a personal touch to your desktop. At the heart of the Reaper 2.5 is the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, an 8-core powerhouse capable of speeds up to 5.0 GHz with turbo boost. This CPU ensures that high-demand applications, intense gaming sessions, and heavy multitasking are handled with ease. Pair this with 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6,400 MHz, and you have a system that's exceptionally responsive, whether you're editing videos, rendering graphics, or running multiple applications simultaneously. The combination of high-speed RAM and a powerful CPU guarantees smooth performance across all workloads, making lag or slowdowns practically non-existent. Graphics performance is delivered by the AMD RX 7800 XT with 16GB of VRAM, which allows for ultra-realistic visuals, high frame rates, and seamless gameplay. Whether you're exploring expansive open-world titles, competitive shooters, or VR experiences, the Reaper 2.5 handles everything with remarkable clarity and performance. Its graphics capabilities make it ideal for 4K gaming, virtual reality, and even demanding creative work such as video editing and 3D rendering. This means that every game or project runs not just smoothly, but beautifully, with detailed textures and vibrant colors. Storage and speed are equally impressive. With a 2TB NVMe SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast boot times and almost instantaneous access to large files or games. This SSD is up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives, ensuring that load times are minimal and productivity is maximized. For those who require more storage, additional drives can easily be added, giving you the flexibility to expand as your library grows or as your workload demands. The Reaper 2.5 also features a 240mm RGB liquid cooler, which keeps the CPU at optimal temperatures even during extended gaming or heavy workloads. This high-performance cooling system prevents thermal throttling and allows the hardware to consistently perform at peak efficiency. Combined with the 1000W gold-rated power supply, the system maintains stability under heavy loads, ensuring reliable power delivery and long-term durability. Connectivity is robust, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, making it easy to pair peripherals and stay connected without the need for additional adapters. This system is VR-ready, meaning it can handle the most demanding virtual reality applications, providing a smooth, immersive experience that truly brings games and simulations to life. Every ViprTech Reaper 2.5 is hand-assembled in the USA and undergoes rigorous stress testing before shipping, ensuring that what arrives on your desk is a system you can rely on. Additionally, ViprTech includes a 1-year warranty, giving peace of mind and demonstrating confidence in the quality and durability of their systems. In summary, the ViprTech Reaper 2.5 liquid-cooled gaming PC is a complete package for anyone seeking high-end performance in a visually striking and reliable desktop. With the Ryzen 7 8700F CPU, RX 7800 XT GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 2TB NVMe SSD, liquid cooling, and customizable RGB lighting, this system handles gaming, content creation, VR, and multitasking with unmatched efficiency. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or creative professional, the Reaper 2.5 delivers consistent, powerful, and immersive performance, making it one of the top choices for serious users in 2025.